To find the EveryDollar debt snowball, start by understanding what the debt snowball method is. This approach, popularized by financial expert Dave Ramsey, involves paying off debts one by one, starting with the smallest balance first, while making minimum payments on the rest. EveryDollar is a free budgeting app from Dave Ramsey that helps you track your expenses and create a personalized budget. First, download and install the EveryDollar app on your device or access it through their website. Once you have created an account and logged in, navigate to the debt section of the app. Here, you will be able to add all of your debts, including credit cards, loans, and other financial obligations. Next, input the details of each debt, including the balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. This information will help the app to prioritize your debts and create a plan for you to pay them off. The debt snowball method will be automatically applied, with the smallest balance being paid off first. As you make payments, be sure to update the app to reflect the new balances and payments made. This will help you to stay on track and see your progress as you work towards becoming debt-free. It is also important to continue making minimum payments on all of your debts except the one you are focusing on paying off first. In addition to the debt snowball, EveryDollar also offers other tools and resources to help you manage your finances, including budgeting templates and financial education materials. By using the EveryDollar app and following the debt snowball method, you can create a plan to pay off your debts and achieve financial freedom. It is also important to note that while the debt snowball method can be an effective way to pay off debts, it may not always be the most efficient approach. Some financial experts recommend paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, rather than the smallest balance. However, the debt snowball method can be a good option for those who need to see quick progress and stay motivated to continue paying off their debts.